I'm Beverly. Welcome to my home. We have just recently had a facelift from JC&C Roofing. I had another estimate prior to JC&C coming out and speaking to me, and they scared me to death. They gave me an enormous estimate and was very pushy about how quickly I needed to do it. Seriously, I was afraid my roof was going to fall in on my head. So JC&C came out, gave me a very good estimate, and we're very happy, or I'm very happy with the finished product. We replaced the roof, and that is a Timberline GAF, and it's an impact resistant shingle. We also, if you can see my chimney, we had a little problem with the chimney, and part of it was coming apart, so they came in and replaced the siding and completely fixed the flashing and put it all back together. I didn't have any ridge vents. We put in ridge vents. I had an old over my bathtub. I had a skylight that had cataracts apparently because it was so dark. And when it was replaced, it's beautiful. It's like the lights aren't in there, but there is a gas in between the glass, so it's not going to heat the room up, which is perfect. We decided that we were going to put on the gutters, and while we were doing the roof and about to decide the gutters, we saw how bad the paint looked. So we decided to go ahead and do the paint, and it was one and done. They had everything done like within 2 days. Everything was completely done. So we had the painting. They came in and fixed everything they needed to, caulked up, did the painting, cleaned up, and also with the roof comes a power wash, and that's the entire house, the patio, the sidewalks, and it is amazing. It's just a gradual thing. You don't realize how bad it gets, but once you clean it, it's amazing. So my house has just brightened up like you would not believe. Very happy with the whole process. They were very good about when they dropped off. Everything was given to me ahead of time. I knew when they were going to be here. I knew what was going to be dropped off. I knew when the shingles were coming in. I knew everything. I had the timeline, and they were very conscientious about picking up because we had a lot of trash, but it got all picked up. All the nails were picked up. Everybody just did a bang-up job, and I'm just very, very pleased. And I would recommend JC&C Roofing to anyone. And that comes with a lot. Thank you very much. And y'all, get an estimate.